What's up, Sean? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny Seo. Bonnie said I should go ahead and send this over to you. Hopefully, you'll find this helpful. But we're going to take a look at your website, see what's going on. So, right off the bat, I love your header. You got your logo in the left corner over here, your about, services, contact. Honestly, that's really all you need. You got your number there, which is a click to call. Excellent. Like, I got nothing to say about that. As we scroll down, need your house painted, get a free estimate. Excellent. I would probably also add something over here, which is like, that information page where you put your name, number, phone, and then, send an email over to you. That would probably be excellent. What we offer, cabinet, commercial, deck staining. Honestly, I got very little to say here. This looks great. You're putting in a lot of, you have content in here. You're talking about what you do. Only thing I'm noticing is you don't have a lot of buyer intent keywords. So a buyer intent keyword is what somebody will put into Google, like interior painting, but they also will be very specific about location. That's a buyer intent keyword. So interior painting Houston. So I'm not seeing a lot of those keywords on here or anything that kind of references that. But as we scroll through, I have nothing really to say about it. I love these little links over here. Um, I'm not saying that yes or no, that might be for more the About Us page, but just scrolling through, I like this. This is you have a very nice website, very structured. Um, Obviously, there's a lot in here that should be more tailored to just specifically what you do, with obviously links to the other service pages. And then obviously, uh, you might want to have this as a drop-down menu, but excellent. Very impressed with this one actually. But let's take a look behind the scenes. Let's see what's really going on. So I don't know what's up. I don't know if this is a new website, or not, but there's nothing ranking here. So there's no UR rating, which is how strong your website is. There's no DR rating, which is how much Google trusts you. There are no backlinks, which is what you use to get these two up. And a backlink is where you have your website linked somewhere else. Now they're not all equal. Some of them are going to be, spammy like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia. You don't want those. You want strong ones like a painter's blog or stuff like that. And then obviously the referring domain is those that come back to you. Now, organic keywords is what people will put into Google, and we want to rank for those. Now, you have zero across the board, which means we got to find something to do to put in there. So let's take a look at, what a keyword will do. So we got Painters Conroe, Texas, and just scrolling through here, just to go back up, we got all these ads which people can pay for in order to be up there, which is fine. And then we got your, Google My Business profile. Now, studies show that pretty much anyone who searches for anything will click on one of these three people. Streamline Painting and More is actually the top, but as you go over here, you got your organic search, which is anyone can rank over here. You got to know what you're doing. You got to get those keywords in there, and you have to have the right content. But right now we got like a couple of directories like Yelp, Home Advisor, and Angie. People don't care. CertaPro is more of a franchise, and then you have Hughes, which is again a uh, directory. But let's take a look at streamlinepaint.com, right? They're local. They're going to be, something people are looking for because they know they're local and they're not a franchise. But Streamline Paint more, I can't say I enjoyed this a little bit over here, but they made it work for them, so it does look okay. Click here to get started. And then obviously commercial and residential painting. So as you scroll through, they do have a lot of they have a lot of words in here, content. They also, if you look closely, they do have some um painting service in Houston, so those buyer intent keywords. They also have their number throughout our services and schedule a free estimate. This is something new. Can't say to do it for everyone, but it's basically hey, schedule something with us, see what we can do. So overall, not a lot of content. Um, but definitely they're hitting some of those keywords involved. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what they're doing. So their strength in website is a 14 right now, and their DR rating is 22, which obviously means they're doing great. So they have 779 backlinks and 314 referring domains. So they're doing pretty good on this one. They also have 490 organic keywords alone. Now, can they do better than this? 100%. The 56 organic traffic is letting me know that they're doing something wrong with this. So let's see. Yes, they are. You see how none of these are very specific to, what they're doing? So they got the keywords, they just don't have anything very specific to where they live. So they're not putting in the rest thing because best commercial paint, who cares? Anyone can write that. I can be in Alaska and I can put that into my Google Calendar. But this is, here we go. Painting the woodlands. So that's right here. Obviously, it's around the Conroe area. 400 people a month search for that, and they're getting 2 people a month, but they're also on page 2. So this is not very good. So we want positions to be on page 1. If we're the first, second, or third person, even better. And over here, we got the traffic coming in over here, which is not very good. We want higher traffic because we want to get obviously the higher volume. So how does this help you guys out, Sean? All we got to do for you, in all honesty, if I can find you guys again, we got to get backlinks. Now they did really well with backlinks, so honestly, all we got to do is take their backlinks and their referring domains, the ones that we like and that are good, and put them on your page. And then we got to get some organic keywords. Not what they had. They had bad organic keywords. We got to get good ones. All right, we got to get the ones that are painters Conroe, painters woodlands, painters stuff like that. All variations of those words which have very high buyer intent volume. I know that from experience, and I know I didn't show you. And that will bring your organic traffic up from 0. So imagine if you could just get 50 more people a month coming to your website just because you had the right content on there. What would that do for you? All right, well, Sean, that's all I got. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach back out. Other than that, if you got any feedback, I would definitely love to know. But you have a great day, man. Bye.